Maybe 4 times a year, there's a train show, a swap meet, held at the American Legion Hall just north of Cincinnati. It's presented by the fine folks of the Ohio River chapter of the Train Collectors Association. It's a really nice group of people who share an interest in trains, many of whom are also veterans. These are the bargains that I found there last Saturday. This is a Lionel Alco decorated for the Delaware and Hudson rail lines and was made sometime in the 1970s when Lionel was owned by General Mills. It was operated from a division within known as the Model Products Corporation, which is why this is considered an MPC era product. A few collectors dislike items from this time period, but they're actually among my favorites. I turned 6 in 1970, so I spent most of that whole decade with my nose buried in Lionel catalogs, making wish lists for my birthday or Christmas. And I was actually pretty lucky. I was able to get a few of those things. But this escaped my grasp until last weekend. In the past, I've been really lucky at this train show, and this one was no exception. This Alco was offered by a great guy named Bill, who didn't want to be on camera. That's okay, Bill, maybe next time. And some of my best bargains of previous American Legion train shows came from Bill's table. And to this day, he's still the only person that's recognized me from my YouTube channel. So thanks a lot, Bill. That means a lot. So after all that, you're probably wondering what Bill's price was on these two little trains. Well, how about $55? And that's not just for the powered unit, that's for both of them. Both units in excellent shape. I'm not sure about the collector's rating system, what this would be, but it's not mint. It has been played with a little bit, but there are no nicks on the paint anywhere. The frame, the trucks, all those are in great shape. I would grade this, I don't know, maybe an 8, a 9, maybe a 9 plus. But I really like it, and it came home with me, and Bill and I had a nice talk too. So that was a pretty nice transaction. I wish all transactions went that smoothly and were that pleasant. Bill's a nice guy. Might be giving up one of my best resources for bargains by mentioning him by name. But if you go to the American Legion Hall train show, find Bill. He has good prices and really nice stuff. Here's a Lionel boxcar decorated for Walt Disney World's 20th anniversary back in 1992. I was able to buy this for $15. It's in pretty good shape. It's just a little bit dusty, but that'll clean right off. I have one of these already in a box, but maybe I'll do just like the previous owner of this did and display it. That's probably where the dust came from. So it'll look good on my display shelf too, I bet. $15? That's not too bad. It's unusual to find any Matchbox Super Kings anymore at train shows. Most of them are between 40 and 50 years old. This one was mixed in with some 1/43rd scale die-cast cars, and I picked it up. It was only $5. It's in yellow, which is probably my least favorite color for anything. It has a few nicks in the paint, and the stickers on the hood and doors show just a little bit of wear along the edges. But overall, it's in pretty good shape, and for $5, I didn't think I should pass it up. You don't see these very often anymore, And on eBay, this probably would have been $10 or $15 along with shipping. So I would have been stupid to pass it up for $5. So now it has a new home too, even though it's yellow. I guess it's part of the Bob's Workshop family now, and I'm really going to try to not drill out those rivets and strip that yellow paint and repaint it red or white. Only time will tell though. So until then, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.